We are the proud students of Rahat's English Care. We have learned English effectively here. Now we can speak in English fluently, confidently, and powerfully. And we will express the fabulous features of Rahat's English Care now.
Hello, I will talk about Rahat sir. Rahat sir is the popular English teacher in our country, and he is also famous writers in our country. His English teaching method it's uncomparable, and he is also famous, honest, and amiable for all of students. It's inspired me always.
Now I will talk about Rahat English Care. Rahat English Care is the best for learning English. It's a unique English institute. I am proud to be a student of Rahat English Care.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I'll talk about environment. Our environment is good and friendly. For example, me, when I come here, I didn't have many friends. Now I have many friends in short time.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now I will talk about teacher. Rahat English Care all teachers' mentality is very charming. All teachers are very punctual and sincere person. Teachers' behavior and teacher teaching system is the best.
Now I will talk about Rahat's English Care teaching system. Rahat's English Care teaching system is so impressive. Their method helps students to gain confidence quickly. Classes often include exercise, example, and English task. That's all about Rahat's English Care teaching system.
Right now I'm talking about vocabulary book. Rahat sir wrote and published vocabulary book which is really very good. This book helps to improve our vocabulary and also helps to make new sentence.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I will talk about presentation hero. I learned here presentation. Your presentation hero books was very helpful. It is very effective for the student for learning presentation.
Now I will talk about Spoken Fighter. It is best English learning book in our country. It has many lessons, speaking, writing, presentation. This book is very helpful for the students. Now I will talk about lecture book of Rahat English Care. Rahat English Care provides us amazing lecture book which is very helpful for learning English. There are many magic story, easy method, smart presentation and easy technique to memorize vocabulary, and I am grateful to their method.
I will talk about extra care. I was very weak in English. I got here extra care and satisfied on their extra care.
Hello beautiful listeners. Now I will talk about the teachers' punctuality of Rahat's English Care. The teachers of Rahat's English Care are very punctual. They maintain the time properly and attend the class on time. In the class, they taught us different lessons in different times, like presentation, vocabulary, lecture books, and so on. That really helped me to learn punctuality.
Now I would like to say something about outdoor session. Outdoor session is an important thing of Rahat sir. This outdoor session is helpful to learn English and to think new idea creation. I believe that we will be able to fluent speaker in English. To be honest, this audition is necessary for all students.
I will talk about Rahat English Care course fee and course duration. Rahat English Care course duration 3 months and course fee cheaper than other. It's very significant for all students.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Now I talked about teachers' behavior. Teachers' behavior is very well here. There are sincere teachers and students. Relationship are very friendly.
Now I will talk about the branch of Rahat's English Care. There are 5 branches of Rahat's English Care like female residential, male residential, Mirpur 1 branch, Mirpur 10 branch and Uttara branch. The service are very good and effective for the students.
Hello everyone. Now I will talk about presentation. Rahat's English Care has a very effective and organized presentation system. After performing presentation here, my English has improved a lot. It has helped me becoming more confident and fluent speaker.
Now I'll talk about LTS Course of Rahat English Care. Their teaching system is very easy and attractive here. Their teachers are friendly and expert. They have 0 to IELTS and advanced.
Now I will talk about the YouTube channel and Facebook page of Rahat's English Care. I have learned many lessons from Rahat's English Care and it is very effective for the students to learn English.